The nice thing about owning a car wash is you get free car washes. Here goes, guys. This might not be my smartest moment, but if everything goes all right, we'll have a clean car. Oh, this is gonna burn. Oh my gosh, it's in the coffee. Oh, that's gonna suck for product placement. Yeah, oh. It still tastes good. Oh, it's burning my eyes now. I should have had glasses. Oh my gosh. Why am I doing this? So I bought a police car in order to provide security for my trailer park and my rentals. It's loud, but we're going to take it to the car wash today in order to get it clean. I bought this one off my nephew for $1,000 bucks. It's a 1999 and it needs really a lot of love. The inside's dirty, the outside's dirty, and we're going to take it to my car wash and we're going to get it clean. We're going to see how much that helps with this thing. This was supposed to be like an undercover investigator car. It doesn't have the spotlight on it, but it's all blacked out and whatnot. See if you can fit in there. I want to see if you can fit in the trunk.
What if I step on this stuff?
I don't care if you break it. Because it is important if I can fit a body in the back of this car. I think we can. Here. I think it works. I think we could fit you in the trunk. I won't actually close it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It works.
It works. Cool. Before we clean my car with this thing, I wanted to give a big shout out to Cometeer Coffee, the sponsor for this video. Cometeer coffee isn't like any other coffee. It's more convenient, it's brewed stronger, and it's delivered straight to your door, packed in dry ice and convenient aluminum capsules. Cometeer sources their coffee from some of the best roasters in the world. Then they brew it to perfection. Then it's immediately flash frozen at -300 degrees. On the morning of this video, I had a latte that I made with their Equator, and through this video, you'll see me drinking the Waverly. It's hard to hide a bad coffee when you drink it over ice, so that's how I drink most of my Cometeer coffees. And unlike any other blend, I can actually taste the different hints, whether it be almond or apple. And the fact it takes maybe a minute or two to melt a puck, it's super convenient. Currently, Cometeer coffee isn't even open to the public, but if you go through my link in the description below, you're able to bypass the wait list and get 50% off your first purchase. That's only $1 per cup. So help support Investment Joy and go try them out. You want it? You ready to help me, Riley, wash my car?
Yeah.
The nice thing about owning a car wash is you get free car washes. Here goes, guys. This might not be my smartest moment, but if everything goes all right, we'll have a clean car. Oh, this is gonna be brutal, guys. Oh, this is gonna burn. Oh my gosh, it's in the coffee. Oh. Oh, that's gonna suck for product placement. Yeah, oh. It still tastes good. It still tastes good. It's getting clean on the inside. Oh, there's the soap. Oh. Needless to say, please don't do this at home unless you're a trained expert that can disable all the safety functions. And then just jump around. I don't think this car's ever been washed. Did something fall off the car? Ruined my coffee. I got soap in it and it burned while I drank it. It was still pretty good. But man, what do you think? Do you think it got clean enough or should we try again?
I think it's pretty clean.
It looks pretty clean. There's still cigarette butts and stuff on the inside of it, but overall, only got a little wet. Only got a little wet. So what do you think, guys? You have to tell me, does this look like a brand new Crown Vic? Or not? Would you take a ride in it if your friend showed up with this? The back seat's not really too bad. The front seat's drenched.
Definitely ride in this thing.
All right, cool. That was fun, but I ruined the sponsor's drink. I hope I don't get in trouble with them. And this stuff is really good. That's the second. I've had a cup and a half today. But that's fun. The car's actually cleaner. I should tell you guys not to do that, but I mean, I wouldn't do it if under normal scenarios, but if I use a wet dry vac, I can actually get this car pretty dang clean. It's actually doing pretty good, and it didn't get on all the electronics, but I am freaking wet, and the soap, the pre-soak in our car wash is literally acid, and it burned. So I've made it back to my house, and I'm almost dry, and the car's almost dry. All right, guys, I got a new studio, and we're going to start filming here any day now. But as a postscript to this video, I wanted to let you know it's a really bad idea to drink car wash soap. I say this because I got extremely sick after shooting this video. In fact, people on my Discord were making fun of me. They even made this personal profile picture of me being sick. So even though the coffee tastes good, while you're in the car wash drinking it mixed with soap, it's a bad idea. Don't do it. Washing your car didn't end out too bad for me, but I wanted to provide this warning just so we don't get demonetized. On other notes, the car wash is almost done. Every terrible thing has happened. The car wash has actually technically been working for about a month now, but it is essentially illegal for us to wash cars in the car wash, and there's going to be a 20-minute YouTube video about why we can't legally wash cars. It's been an absolute mess. But I'm being told within 2 days of the publishing of this specific video, we will clear that road mark, and I can explain to you guys what has happened with the car wash, why it's taken so long, and the tens of thousands of dollars that we've lost in the process of actually waiting for this car wash to be fixed. But I'm excited that the car wash is going to be up, and I'm hoping for 3 videos a week here on YouTube. So make sure that you like this specific video and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. That way it supports my content, and it'll help pay for this office at the college that for some reason I have, even though I've never gone to college. And don't forget to try out Cometeer Coffee in the link in the bio. They came on as a sponsor. They helped pay for the Crown Victoria patrol car for the trailer park, and I'm sure we're going to use it on more videos, especially with all that truck space that can fit a body in. Thanks, guys.